Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will create this logo in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button and put a sweet comment. So let's start the video. First I'm deleting this. Go to ellipse tool and drag ellipse tool, press shift key, then give a stroke 5. After then select this one, edit, copy, paste in front and shift alt drag. Then go to round rectangle tool, draw a round rectangle here, put it little bit round, and none the fill color, little bit up, then select this, press alt and drag, and put it here. After then press this ellipse tool and copy, paste in front, press shift and drag. So select all and shape builder tool and drag. So shape builder tool and give a color, then shift key, select this one, go to option menu and cut, then select all, delete and control V, paste and none the fill color. Your U logo is ready. So now we will create all logo. Go to ellipse tool, fill the color none and stroke 5. So then go to rectangle, draw a rectangle here, select both, put it at center and then go to direct selection tool, select this corner and drag it, select this corner and drag it. After then select this one, make a copy, paste, resize it, drag it here, little bit resize it, that's perfect. Then select this one, press alt key and drag it. here. So select all, shape builder tool and drag it down and then drag it up. Now go to shape builder tool, give a color and then shift, select this one and option and cut. So delete them and Control V, drag it here and stock to none. Now go to gradient color, give them gradient color, select this one, select this one, gradient option and group them and group. So guys, the logo is ready. If you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button and put a sweet comment.